Hello guys, my name is Pravyad and welcome to our channel. So today I can talk about the how you guys can generate a review schema and the what is the uses and if you guys can going to use a review schema, if you guys can insert a review schema over your website, then what kind of result you guys can get. So basically, if you guys can go with your Google search dashboard and where you guys can type any keyword, so then you guys can see the website title and the URL and the description, and the rather than bottom of the description you guys can see that kind of reviews and the reviews rating and the number of reviews, uh, indication of the pop-up masses. So this kind of result if you guys can want with your pages, then you guys can insert a review schema with your product pages. So how you guys can generate a review schema? So simply you guys can go Google dashboard and where you guys can type uh, schema generator. Okay, and you guys can see your first website, technicalseo.com, where you guys can go, and there we can going to generate a review schema. So simply you guys can go schema generated dashboard and where you guys can found your review schema. Okay, so so there is no any another option to you guys can generate a directly review schema. So you guys can generate a product schema. Basically, if you guys can want to get a if you guys can want to generate a review schema, basically for the which product you guys can provide reviews, any kind of services or any kind of a product. So these things, so if you guys have any services or any product, so then for the product or services you guys can generate a review schema. Okay, so simply we can collect a one product. So let me we can pick any product from the Chroma iPhone 14. Okay, so we have picked one product, so we can start generating a review schema for this product. Okay, so what is this asking? So we have selected, so you guys can fill your product name. So our product name is, website is started taking time. Yeah, so our product name is Apple 1428 GB and the color is midnight. So you guys have to paste it over there and you guys can fill a product image URL. So you guys can go your image and you guys can copy your image addresses and you guys can paste it over there. And which brand? So you guys can see this is a Apple brand and product description. So yeah, so this is a product description you guys can found from there now. Yeah, and the identification properties, so which kind of properties you guys are using for the identification, like SKU, GTI and 8, that kind of product specification if you guys are using, then you guys can fill. So let me check. So they haven't provided any SKU and ID, so we can ignore these things. And the offer type, and which kind of offer you guys are providing services. So if this having any offer, so let me check. Any percentage is off or not? 64. And any discount, there is no any discounts. Let me track. Price currency is, I think they are not providing any offer. Acha, okay, we have so you guys can simply if you guys have any offer pages, then you guys can add your offer URL, offer page URL, and the price currency you guys can add. So this is the Indian website, so it's a rupee, Indian rupee. And the what is the price of this phone? To 64,000. Offer, and the URL, currency type, and the price is this, and the valid, and the how much days is this valid, price valid until. So you guys can check whenever you guys are providing price offering, so you guys can add your offer price from there now. 5,000, this is your offer price. And you guys can suppose that this offer is going to continue around 20th January, and the availability is in stock, and the condition is new, whatever which kind of condition you guys are having your product. So average rating value, you guys can add your average rating value. So average rating value is 4.7, 4.7, and the number of ratings 120, and the highest value allowed 5 star, and the lowest value is 1. So this is your review schema. And if you once you guys can generate your schema, you guys can copy and you guys can paste your a piece backend backend code. Okay, so suppose that anywhere you guys can paste this schema, like you guys can paste your bottom of the content, bottom of the page. Okay, and you guys can paste mid of the pages, anywhere you guys can paste this course. You guys can simply pick a one HTML code, a tab. If you guys are created a service page in WordPress or any other CMS, you guys can paste this a code, a bottom of the content, bottom of the page. Otherwise you guys can paste anywhere whatever you guys are want. Okay, so once you guys can create your schema, you guys can validate, you guys can going to test this schema is working properly or not. So I think this is, so you guys can go a rich result test option, and you guys can click to start a testing. So you guys can see all the information are working properly. Three valid items are detected, like a product snippet, a merchant listing, and the review snippet. So okay, so this is best practices. So you guys can generate a review or product schema, then you guys can implement your schema on your product or page services, service pages. Okay, so that could be going to help you to, you guys can get a more area on the Google SERP. Okay, So till end, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or your friends, then you guys have to provide your then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of project services or any suggestion, so you guys can find my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing. If you guys can want to connect with me personally, any sorry, actually, sorry for that. Today I'm not feeling well, so that's why it's going to happening to while the communicating. So for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing. If you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you can understand, and you guys can please help me something to hit the subscribe and like button, because I only want, at least I can achieve a 1K subscriber to I can make my YouTube channel for the monetization. Okay, yaar, so bye bye and take care. I hope you can help me something.